Hi! On the second day of the live session, RD with the students, I, Dr. Gayatri Dubey, Regional Director and Global Chief Operating Officer in the EduMall, Gandhinagar, Gujarat, is here with you all, dear students. Today, I will be discussing about the founder of the EduMall, thought of the day, important historical dates, word of the day, why the students go to Australia for higher education, and one motivational story with its moral. It is said that real leaders work quietly and their commitment behind the scenes is truly admirable. 25 years in leadership and training students and professionals from learners to executives, political teams and senior administrators is the managing director and the founder of the EduMall, Dr. Piyush K. Shukla. He is gold medalist, PhD and scientist, IIT Delhi, and is an educational leader, researcher and entrepreneur in shaping India's education. He is building career empowerment ecosystems with psychometric tests. In the journey ahead, he has established 30 the EduMall centers across states, creating India's largest unified education system. He delivers complete education under one roof, from foundation to global careers across science, commerce, humanities, languages, and skills. He has authored work on motivation, career guidance, chemistry, mathematics, and learning strategies. In this 25 years of leadership and training, Dr. Piyush is an advisor to educators, corporates, and policy makers. Thank you, Dr. Piyush, for supporting the students and the upliftment of the society. We wish Dr. Piyush a happy journey ahead. Why choose the EduMall? This question must have come to your mind. So I'm there to give the answer. If you are looking for a platform that empowers you to reach your full potential, the EduMall is your answer. Biggest edu infrastructure in Gujarat, rich legacy of 25 years working with the students of different level in different parts of India and abroad, national premium mentors from different premier brands, all collected at one place. Having 4 verticals, JEE NEET, UPSC, GPSC, Global, the study abroad, Skillopedia with certified courses. Experience the difference. Join the EduMall family today. Schedule your tour to ready to move in hub and move into your dream educational co-working space today. While we are working, we are getting motivated and becoming energetic day by day for you all students. So let us have one thought. And the thought of the day is, learn as if you were to live forever. The meaning of this thought is, the quote, learn as if you were to live forever, means to approach learning with patience, depth, and an open mind, as if you have all the time in the world to gain knowledge and understanding. It emphasizes that true learning requires more than just memorization. It requires a deep, long-term immersion to develop true wisdom and the ability to learn rather than a hurried, superficial approach focused only on short-term goals like passing a test. This mindset encourages a lifelong journey of curiosity, growth, and continuous self-improvement. Today, 5th December, has its own importance. And let us see the importance of this historical date. Today, we are celebrating World Soil Day to raise awareness about the importance of healthy soil. We are also celebrating International Voluntary Day, and on this day the people volunteer themselves for different social services. On 5th December 1971, India recognizes Bangladesh as a new nation, a significant shift in South Asian geopolitics. On 5th December 2013, Mr. Nelson Mandela, former South African president and anti-apartheid revolutionary, passes away, shaping politics, civil rights, and international relations. We remember Mr. Nelson Mandela, and we will be remembering him always. Let us see today's word. And the word of the day is ephemeral. The meaning is lasting for a short time. Synonym is brief, fleeting, transient, short-lived. Antonym is permanent, everlasting, enduring. Origin. The word originates from the Greek word, a combination of epi, that means upon or on, and hemera, that is day. Let us see this word in one sentence. The beautiful sunset was an ephemeral movement, fading quickly into darkness. This word will be remembered by you all and used in your day-to-day conversation. The words which I am discussing with you will be helpful in your communication daily. Let us see why students go to Australia for higher education. As I have already told you, I am the Chief Operating Officer of Global Study Abroad, and I want to suggest that students should go to Australia for higher education. And I'm also going to give you the advantages of going there for educational purpose. The first is academic and professional advantages. World-class education. Australia has numerous highly ranked universities with a strong focus on both academic and practical learning. Diverse courses. Students can choose from over 22,000 courses across 100 universities covering a vast range of subjects from agriculture to IT. Research opportunities. The country is a leader in research, offering excellent opportunities for students who want to pursue advanced studies and research. Globally recognized qualifications. An Australian degree is highly respected internationally, making graduates competitive in the global job market. Work opportunities. International students can often work part-time during their studies and full-time during breaks, which helps cover living expenses and provides valuable work experience. Post-study work options. Many students are eligible for post-study work visas, which allow them to stay and gain professional experience in Australia after graduation. On the basis of quality of life and environment, let us see what are the advantages. Multicultural and welcoming. Australia is a multicultural country with a welcoming environment for international students from around the world. High standard of living. The country boasts a high standard of living and is known for its safety with a low crime rate. Support for students. Universities and the government provides extensive support services to help international students succeed both academically and personally. Beautiful natural environment. Australia is a visually stunning country with a beautiful natural environment, offering many opportunities for outdoor activities and exploration. Global study abroad from the EduMall, Gandhinagar, Gujarat helps the student in making the career and also taking them to their destination like Australia. We welcome you to join us in this mission. While we are moving ahead, let us have some motivation. And today I will be telling you one motivational story, and the story is the elephant rope. A man observes a group of elephants tethered by a single thin rope to their legs and is baffled that they don't simply break free. A trainer explains that the elephants were tied with the same size rope when they were young and they were unable to break it. Now, although they are strong enough, they are conditioned to believe the rope can still hold them. So they never try to escape. So what is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is our own past failures and false beliefs can prevent us from achieving success, even if we have the strength to overcome obstacles. So don't stay with your false beliefs of your past experience. Move ahead and see you will get success. So let us see the overall what I want to say today. The early bird catches the worm. This is a well-known proverb, and this proverb means that if we start early, then there are chances of getting success. So remember our website www.theedumall.com. Our address is 229 The EduMall, Suresh Solitaire Building, Khadasan, Gandhinagar, Gujarat. We welcome you with smile and lots of love. We'll meet tomorrow, same time, Till then, bye bye.